Best pocket-size cameras. In a world where portability matters more than ever, compact cameras have surged in popularity, especially among travelers, vloggers, and casual photographers. These pocket-sized cameras deliver portability, quick auto modes, and surprisingly good image quality, without the bulk or cost of a DSLR. This guide reviews 5 of the most popular compact cameras on Amazon, evaluating their video and photo resolution, build quality, ease of use, features, and overall value.
Product number 1. 5K digital camera for photography. Experience 5K digital camera for photography. 5K HD video and 80 megapixel autofocus capture pro-level clarity. Stop compromising on quality. The cameras for photography is engineered to deliver true 5K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and stunning 80 megapixel photos. The advanced autofocus system instantly locks on to subjects, ensuring crystal clear results for every dynamic use case, from fast-paced travel vlogs to spontaneous action shots. Get rich colors and detail even when shooting in challenging low-light environments with flash. Dual screen design, unique vlogging and selfie composition. Tired of guessing your framing while shooting solo? The 5K digital camera features a large 3.5-inch main screen for settings control and a dedicated 2-inch front selfie display for effortless, confident composition. Paired with the ergonomic grip handle, you achieve comfortable, stable recording every time. It's the essential tool for solo content creators, travelers, and YouTube beginners demanding professional results without a camera crew.
Product number 2. Digital camera. Experience digital camera. 4K UHD video and 48 megapixel photo capture. Record every special moment. This compact digital camera features the latest CMOS sensor system, supporting 4K video recording and 48 megapixel high-resolution photos. Whether you're exploring the beauty of nature or capturing the joy of a family gathering, this camera ensures you can clearly document every important moment in stunning detail. 16x digital zoom and versatile shooting modes. Want to capture distant landscapes or zoom in on wildlife? With 16x digital zoom, this camera allows you to bring distant subjects into focus with ease. The image stabilization ensures your photos are steady and sharp. Features like smile capture, continuous shooting, and self-timer make it the perfect choice for documenting family gatherings, friend parties, and other joyful moments.
Product number 3. Flatic Mini Keychain Camera. Experience Flatic Mini Keychain Camera, 4K digital tiny camera with 32GB card. All-in-one mini camera. This pocket-sized camera does it all. Take photos, record HD videos, review your shots on the built-in screen, and add fun filters. With a simple flash for extra lighting, it's easy to capture playful moments anytime. Whether you're looking for a small camera for travel or a cute camera for daily adventures, this tiny camera fits perfectly. Perfect for kids and beginners. With easy one-button controls and a lightweight design, this keychain camera is perfect for little hands learning to explore photography. An ideal camera for beginners, teens, or anyone wanting a fun hiking camera or camera for travel to capture memories on the go.
Product number 4. 4K body camera with external microphone. Experience 4K body camera with external microphone. 4K Pocket Body Cam. The Zoom Foam body camera with 1.33-inch HD display has a mini and compact body size, comfortable hand grip feeling design, adopts advanced chipset and Sony IMX Starlight lens, support real 4K 60 FPS, 4K 30 FPS, 2.7K 30 FPS video resolution let you shoot Ultra HD images easily. Image stabilization. The vlog camera built-in electronic anti-shake function. With image processing technology, it makes sure that the pocket body cam can still keep shooting clear images in the bumpy or shaky situation. The pocket cameras support loop video recording, slow motion shooting, time-lapse shooting, continuous photo taking, timed photo taking.
Product number 5. 4K digital camera for photography autofocus. Experience 4K digital camera for photography autofocus. 4K digital camera with autofocus. The newest 4K digital camera for photography captures videos in 4K resolution and snaps Ultra HD 48 megapixel images. With autofocus and 16x digital zoom, every detail is crisp, clear, and vibrant, even captured from a distance. 180 degrees flip screen and portable. Our 4K camera for photography offers a 3.0-inch IPS 180 degrees flip screen, ideal for selfie enthusiasts and vlogging creation. Designed for travel and everyday use, this compact travel camera for pictures is built to last. Its small size and durable construction make it a reliable companion for capturing memories on the go.